And as we look at all the winter weather that's hitting the country, we've been hearing a lot about sleet, freezing rain, snow. So I thought I'd explain a little bit about what's going on in all those types of winter weather. So let's bring in some precipitation, and it's really all about the temperature profile of the atmosphere. So first, on the far left, we'll start with rain. Now, rain does start with snowflakes in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but it falls through a large layer of warmer air toward the surface, so it melts and falls as raindrops. Now, on the opposite side of the spectrum, snow, you have a column of air that's right at or just below 32 degrees, right at or below freezing, so it just all falls as snow. But in between those two, that's when you get sleet and freezing rain. We'll start with sleet first. Now, sleet happens when you have a layer of warmer air aloft. It melts the snowflake, so it's a raindrop, but then it refreezes before hitting the ground, so it falls as an ice pellet. But freezing rain, on the other hand, that's what really creates havoc. We get a bigger area of warmer air aloft above the surface, so it actually falls as a liquid raindrop at the surface, but a very shallow layer of cold air right at the surface causes that freezing rain to freeze to trees, to roads, to power lines, and it coats everything with ice. And around Texas, areas around the south, they've been dealing with that freezing rain, and that's why travel's been so hard. That's why they've been seeing power outages. All of that ice-covered area just causes really tough travel delays. So that is the difference between sleet, freezing rain, and snow. Really has to do with the temperature profile of the atmosphere. Now, temperatures out there still below freezing for much of the country, with wind chill readings still below freezing. Now, Texas, yeah, still feeling like 27 in Houston, feeling like 18 with the wind chill in Austin. So they're still in the grips of this winter weather.